Okay, we're going to talk about the ground fault circuit interrupter, and as you saw in class, we give you the internal workings of this and how it works and so forth. Now we're going to show you how it's improperly hooked up in the field. What happens a lot of times, you have two, especially on the receptacle, you have what's called the load side and the line side. It's designed that the home run, that is the branch circuit coming from the panel board, be connected to the line side, not the load side. This is a little bit deceiving because it'll make you think that it's working fine, there's no problem. So this one, as you can see, is hooked up to the line side. And so because it's terminated, it should work properly. So let's see, we got power on it. As you can see, our wiring is correct. I'm going to put a ground fault on here, just like if someone was getting shocked or whatever. And this is going to be in about the realm of about 7 milliamps. As you can see, I push the fault right here, push this button here, put the fault in there. As you can see, it has tripped. I'm going to reset this, and as you can see, it's back on again. Now we're going to, the reason I cut it off is because I'm going to put this just like it's done in the real world every day at people's homes. I'm going to show you that it's not working. It's not working correctly. Although this tester says it's working fine, if you put a fault on it, you see I got my finger on it, I'm putting a fault on it, it's not working. And so therefore, it's hooked up improperly. The instruction manual tells you all of this. I can hit the test button, and the test button works fine. But see, the test button is only a mechanical test. It's not an electrical test. This, when I hit this button, I'm actually putting a 7 milliamp, 5 to 7 milliamp fault in there. As you can see, I'm hitting it, and we'll put it up this way even where you can see that I am pressing the button, and it's not tripping it. And that's because it's improperly hooked up. A person putting a test on this would think this was fine. There are ways to figure this out. There are ways to test this with other pieces of test equipment. This is the common test equipment. This is another piece of test equipment that's used commonly. And again, it will fool this one as well. Now there are things on here that you can read, other places you can read to know that that's improperly hooked up, but just the common tester right here probably will not tell you anything. Okay, so that gives you the information you need to know and about how to properly hook up or terminate the ground fault circuit interrupter as a receptacle. Thanks.